Welcome to this 10-minute upper body stretch to release tension in the area around the neck and shoulders. Let's begin in a seated position. Find a really comfortable seat where you will not strain your lower back. You can sit on the floor, maybe take something underneath your hips to elevate them like a bolster, blanket, cushion, or just sit in your chair. Sit up nice and tall with your sit bones grounded, crown of the head reaching up to the ceiling, arms relaxed. Start rolling your shoulders forward one by one, warming up the muscles around your shoulders and upper back. Moving at your own pace, you can move faster or slower than me. Change the direction and start rolling your shoulders back one by one. One shoulder rolls back and then another. Trying to make your circles a little bigger, bringing more movement into the shoulders. Then roll both shoulders back at once, a few more circles. Release your shoulders down. Take a big inhale, lift your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale through the mouth and release your shoulders down. Two more like this. Inhale, roll your shoulders up to your ears. And exhale, release them all the way down. Last time. Big inhale, roll the shoulders up, and exhale, release them back and down. Bring your hands to the back of the neck and start massaging your neck, top of the shoulders, upper back, getting into the areas where you feel the tension. Very intuitively, just find the spots that need a little bit more love and care. Keep your hands on the back of the neck and start making small circles with your head. Moving your head gently in one direction. And then a few times in another direction. Bring your head back to center. Straighten your arms out to the sides. Turn your palms to face up. Release your shoulder blades down. Inhale, lift your chest. Roll your shoulders back. Exhale around the upper back. Roll your shoulders forward and turn your palms to face up. With inhale, open the chest. Palms up to the ceiling. And exhale around. Turn your palms back. Move with your breath. On the inhale, opening the front of the body. With exhale, opening the back of the body. Again, moving at your own pace with your breath. With your next inhale, reach your arms all the way up, stretch up. Exhale, twist to the right, left hand on right knee, right fingertips behind you. Look back to your right shoulder. Breathe into the rib cage. Keep your left hand on the knee, and as you turn your upper body back, cross your right arm over the left. Bring your hand to the left knee. Puff off your upper back. Drop your chin down and send your breath into the upper back, this area between and around your shoulder blades. Creating more space and releasing tension there. With your next inhale, reach your arms all the way up. Exhale, twist to the left, right hand on left knee. Look back over your left shoulder. A few deep breaths. Right hand stays as it is. Cross your left arm over the right. And again, round the back. Drop your chin down and breathe into the space between your shoulder blades. Slowly release, interlace your fingers. Inhale, press your palms up to the ceiling. Exhale, lean to the right into side bend. Both sit bones stay grounded. And as an option, you can also hold the forearms or elbows here. With inhale, come back to center. With exhale, lean to the left into side bend. And keep the sit bones grounded, just a little lean to the side. Come back to center, release your hands down. Bring your right arm behind your back and catch your left elbow or upper arm. Relax your shoulders and drop your left ear to your left shoulder for a side neck stretch. You can move your head around to find that comfortable position. Some people like to keep the chin tucked, some people like to lift the chin. You can explore and find what feels right in your body today. Come back to center, switch sides, bring your left arm behind your back, And lower your right ear to your right shoulder. Find your side neck stretch on this side. Take a few breaths. Bring your head back to center, relax your hands on the knees, and for the last stretch, drop your chin down to the chest, keep your spine straight, sitting up straight, just the chin dropping down. You can stay here or intensify this position even more by placing your hands on top of your head to weight it down a little. Just be gentle here. Don't press your head down too much with your hands. Take one more big full breath. Then release, lift your head, relax your arms. I hope your upper back is feeling a little better after this short stretch. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!